Take a look at this 1939 Plymouth four-door sedan street rod. Just came in as an available to purchase here at Unique Specialty and Classics. As you can see, it's two-tone paint, kind of a plum purple color on the bottom and kind of a silver, real light lavender on the top. Nice looking paint. Paint's in decent shape. This is an all steel body, steel fenders, steel boards. Powered by a small block Chevy underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, and AC also underneath there. So nicely equipped, nicely done. Street rod, a little bit of an older build with approximately, I'd say a little under 5,000 miles on it according to the odometer. A little over 4,000, somewhere in there. We'll take a look when we get around to that side. There's a few imperfections in the paint, but overall, very nice paint. You can tell it's got a nice luster to it. Hasn't been out and driven a whole lot since built. Like I said, probably less than 5,000 miles according to the odometer. Does have a cloth interior to it. Nice seating, nice carpeting, way everything's finished off on the inside. As you can see, it's riding an American Classic, chrome wheels, good rubber. Got a couple cool custom aluminum inlaid steps on the boards here. Those are graded with 39 Plymouth. Let's take a look at the interior in the back. As you can see, it's been upgraded with seat belts. Nice cloth interior, headliners in nice shape. Carpeting even has a little footrest up there. If you remember that from the old school cars. Suicide doors open in the back, open regular in the front, which gives it a pretty cool look. Slip around here, and also some custom door cards as it inlays, billet aluminum handles, a little pouch in the bottom, a little elastic pocket on there. Here's your VDO gauges. It says 4,278 approximately since the build. Tilt column. Does have a power trunk. There's a switch in here for pushing on it. Power trunk will open up. Has kind of a electric ram that'll slide the trunk open. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. In here the vehicle starts right up. Nice running car. The gas gauge does work. It's just real low. I noticed that when I was pulling it in. See the oil pressure, slip over here. The voltmeter works. There's the aftermarket AC down there. Controllers and vents. Slip around to the back so you can hear this one run. Close these doors. See the doors close nice and solid. Nice smooth running small block Chevy. If you'd like to check out the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to inquire about the vehicle, have any questions on it, feel free to give us a call. The number we can be reached at is 507-386-1726. 1939 Plymouth four-door sedan street rod.